Okay, so this is just gonna be a quick tutorial. Let's go to our browser and pull up picmonkey.com. Now this one here is $12.99 a month, I believe. I have so many different subscriptions, so I'm just trying to figure it out. But you would, just to start off, just something really simple. You can go to edit new image, click blank canvas. I always change my custom pixels to 3800 by 3800 just to try to um, get a good get a good amount of editing space, and then you could change it whatever sample logo. Let's just say that. So let's say that our name is gonna be, I don't know, cupcake extravaganza, something like that. Okay. So we go to add text, and you can choose whatever color you would like. Of course, you could change it to any color or font. Now, I do get my fonts from defont.com. So there are a few fonts that I enjoy using just because they look really nice. And then you can expand it, of course, letter spacing, all type of stuff. And then you can undo it if need be. So let's just say cupcake extravaganza. So we're going to add another text, and we're going to put that there. I mean, you can use all type of different fonts. We're going to use Futura Medium for that one. Now, as you can see, you can change the color to whatever you would like it to be. And if you hear that noise in the background, that's my Cricut. I'm trying to finish some other orders up as well. But you, right here on the side, it shows you a lot of different things. So if you click on textures, you pretty much can change the texture of your font. Like, they have different color gradients. They have all type of stuff, honestly. Let's just say we wanted to do just this random one here. You can make the size smaller if you want to show more of the font, and you can make it brighter, darker. You could fade it however you want to do it. But we're going to press cancel because I want to show you guys one other thing. Well, you can do glitter as well. Okay, so let's just make this one glitter. um let's just do a silver glitter. My computer stopped moving slow. Now, why it's taking so long today? What's going on, pig monkey? That's weird. I'm sorry, y'all. It's a delay. For some odd reason. Okay, so it looks like it's on gold font. So we can just make that brighter. However, we can make this smaller. Let's just go to silver. Dang, I should have kept it at gold. Now they want to move off slow again. And let's apply it here. Once you fade it, it's making that pink show through. Like, you could do anything. So let's do that, and I'm just gonna add an outline to it. Let's just do like a black outline, just so that you can see the glitter better. Um, and we could bring it to like 5. So that's done there. And also, let me show you this. You can go to effects and go to drop shadow, and you can scale it however you want it. If you're going to be printing the logo, or somebody that you know is going to be printing the logo, I wouldn't really recommend a drop shadow because it's going to be a little bit harder to put the logo on a shirt, like if it's not like white, like sublimation or something like that. And of course, you have a knockout feature also, but we're not gonna do that right now. So let's just do this. Um, let's go to Google. And a lot of times you can find a lot of free files on Google. let's say cupcake drip transparent, since that's something that I already have looked up. Let me see. Let's use this. This is pretty. So what we can do is we're going to click on this. This is high clip art. I get a lot of stuff off of here too. And a lot of times for it to already be transparent, just go ahead and download it. You can right click and save it, but a lot of times the background won't be out of it. And another good thing that picmonkey has is you can actually remove the background. But if you just go ahead and download it straight from Google, where it allows you to download it, you won't have to worry about removing the background. And then we're going to go to my downloads. And here it is. Bring it in. And as you can see, there's no background added on it. So let's just pull this over here. Let's make, and then another thing, you can change the colors. You see that's pink. Let's do purple. And if you can't change, if for any reason it doesn't allow you to change it, what you can do is you can go to Google and get like a solid purple and then add it in as a texture, which would be really cool. So let's send this purple thing to the back. Cupcake. I don't know if I should keep that font. Let's just do that. Okay, I'm gonna change the font of Extravaganza, and you can still change the font. Let's just do, yeah, let's just do this. And make it a little bit smaller. I don't think I really like this cupcake font. You just do something random. Okay, let's look for us a cupcake to use. This is pretty. And of course, anytime you're looking for something, they pull up on your ads for some reason. Actually, what we could do is I could save this straight from here and just save it so I could show you guys. Let's go to add photo. And as you can see, there's no background on it. Like some images will pull in with no background. So let's just pull this right here. Move layer to back. That's after right clicking it. Let's make this little purple thing a little bigger. As if the cupcake is sitting inside of it or something. And let's make that, what color do I want this to be? Let's just do something weird. I don't know. You see how that made a gradient? I like that actually. Let's just do a little weird backdrop. Let's do that. And then let's put an outline around this just so we can see it a little better. If it all fails, add an outline. And that looks cute. I'm sorry, I want to change this again. Yeah, let's do like some form of pink. Or we could go to textures and add something. Which is cool too. Textures is my favorite part. And it's my husband's favorite thing to do. He's always adding textures. When I first showed him that, he was like, oh, yeah, I'm always about to be using this. And you could download images. Like, say, for instance, okay, let's do that. Say, for instance, you want it to be leopard or something like that. We can do that. Let's do like a, let's say, I like this too, though. Let me see. And you see how it's going brighter? I'm going to leave that on there, actually. Because I really like that. I love that color. So let's say that we wanted to find a leopard brush stroke. Here's one here, and that is very pretty. And it looks like it has a copyright on it. So for this one, you would probably have to purchase this one. Let me see if there's any free ones. It doesn't look like there's many. I think I have some that I already purchased. Let me see. I have so many files. I just try to keep up with all of them. Oh, see, like these are so pretty, and I have not used them yet, and I really need to use them. I buy so much stuff off of Etsy. I just have it. So let me see. Let's just do this and say we want to put it behind this for whatever reason. We can do move layer backward or move layer to the back, which is going to bring it all the way to the back. And then if you feel like it's still not enough, you can add a drop shadow. Sometimes drop shadows are really good. Let's say we wanted to add like some rhinestones or something. Let's just say rhinestones, transparent background, images. And here's some random bling. Let's just do this one. It's on high clip art again. So, you know, that stuff is usually free to just download. So that's perfect. So that downloaded. We're gonna go add an add photo again. And it should be the last thing that you downloaded, which should be this here. And you see how it's just over there. And then you can rotate it however you want. We can just put it straight across it and put move layer. Actually, we need to move layer backward, not to back, because if you move it to the back, it's gonna go all the way to the back. So just move layer to the back until you don't, until it's where you want it to lay when positioned in the picture. Give me one moment. Okay, so once we have that, you can go ahead and move forward to your next step. If you wanted to send somebody a sample or if you were just doing it for yourself, you can click in the background and then this thing here is going to pull up and then you make it transparent so that, say for instance, you wanted to add it to one of your files or something like that. You just download the PNG file and then you would add it to the image, whichever way, and it'll be transparent for you. Now, if you wanted to keep the background on there and download it, you could change the background, whatever you wanted to do. You can make flyers in this software also. I really love picmonkey. I use it for a lot of different things. And if you just wanted to put like a simple, what's it called? A simple watermark through it. Like say for instance, you was trying to show somebody your work. You can just put in whatever your name is. I do that, Easy Customs, and I letter space it. Put it right across it. Fade it out just a little bit, but good enough for people to know that there's still a watermark on it. Duplicate it. Put it there. however you want it. If you want to put it straight across, whatever you want to do. And voila, there's your logo. You download it. Also, you can download the picmonkey app, and it will give you the opportunity to go ahead and look at your images on there, which is pretty cool also, because instead of taking a screenshot of like the screen or something, you can download and just save the file straight to your phone, and it'll give it a clean look. So that's all for right now. Next, we're going to be talking about chip bags. Let me know how PicMonkey works out for you, and I would love to see your logos.